This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a low-latency emulator and launching Clash Royale. This reduces input lag and keeps timings consistent. Once opened, enter the emulator's key mapping tool and assign primary actions, deploy cards, cycle, and camera to reachable keys so you avoid finger travel. Make sure to add hotkeys for emotes and pause, and then save the mapping as a named profile. This ensures you can recall settings quickly. These steps let you translate touch precision into reliable keystrokes. Once done mapping, refine how you use those keys in real matches. You need to control speed and timing deliberately. You map cards to 1-4 or Q so you can deploy without looking. Link spells to space or F for fast casts. Practice Elixir tracking by tapping cycle keys rhythmically, and if your emulator supports it, add a small macro delay like 0.2 seconds to prevent accidental multi-presses. Also bind camera pan keys so you can check both lanes quickly and keep situational awareness. You finish by practicing deliberately. Run short bot matches to build muscle memory and identify awkward bindings. Make sure to adjust sensitivity and any macro delays after each session, because small tweaks make your timing predictable and reduce misplays. If something goes wrong, check whether the emulator window has focus, switch input modes, or update keyboard drivers. Rebind keys if certain presses misfire. This process locks in speed and accuracy, so you can play consistently with a keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.